To add the posture fit option, first remove the lumbar pad. On the outside of the back frame, locate and remove the bottom center screw. Slide the cable bracket over the back frame in the center. Install the 1-inch screw provided into the bracket. Note, you must use a number 2 Phillips bit to tightly fit the screw head. Loosely attach the control assembly to the right-hand swing arm casting. Slide the control assembly toward the rear of the chair until it stops. Tighten the control housing screws until they are snug. Note, newer swing arms will have a locating tab on the inside. The control assembly fits over this tab. Feed the control cable over the top of the tilt housing. Carefully work the cable pulling tool through the pellicle and the hole in the mounting bracket. Place the ball end of the cable into the notch in the end of the cable puller. Slowly pull back on the tool until the cable comes through the pellicle. With the cable fully protruding through the pellicle, snap the cable collar into the underside of the bracket. Slide the PostureFit wishbone onto the tracks in the back of the frame. Locate the cable retainer slot in the bottom of the wishbone. Feed the ball end of the cable through the retainer slot and snap it into place. Check for proper operation. Finally, insert the guard on the back edge of the seat frame.